Hi, boys and girls. This is Mrs. Heyman showing you a little bit about your purple packet. I'm going to help you with the Monday, week 24. So our first task is up here, and it says underline the prepositional phrase. And our sentence says, Sally put the groceries in the car. It's been a while since we've talked about these little words called prepositions, but that's really what they are. They are little words. And so the one that we're finding in this one is the word in. And because this time we're doing a phrase, the words that come after it are part of what we need to underline. So today's prepositional phrase is in the car. Okay. Let's take a look at our next one. It says choose the best word. So we're going to choose between group, flock, and herd. And the sentence says, we saw a geese flying in the sky. So the words that we're picking from are called collective nouns. So they are special words that help us talk about a group of things, like a group of geese. So the best word for a group of geese is a flock of geese. That's the collective noun we want. On to our edit the sentence. This sentence is written saying, the boys are going outside to play. We'll check the beginning. That looks good. And we'll check the end. Well, that's missing the end mark. So let's think about what was being said. Sounds like we're just being told something. The boys are going outside to play. So that would tell me to add a period. This is a declarative sentence. But when I look at the rest of it, I see some fixing or editing needs to be done because of spelling problems. For example, this word are, this word outside are not spelled correctly. So we would circle those and fix it. Correctly spelling are, that's just a common word we should know. A-R-E. And the problem with outside is even though you don't hear it, you have to write the silent E to make the I say I, not I for outside. Let's go on to the part by the teddy bears here. In our directions say, write the plural. You want to remember that plural means more than one. And we're talking about more than one noun, like a person, place, or thing. A berry is a noun, like I ate one berry from the bush. But if you ate more than one, you'd want to say berries. Now here's where it gets a little tricky. You quit. Did I touch the screen?
Mm-hmm. You clicked pause.
I think I goofed on something there. Well, let's finish this. Berry is a special word that has a consonant Y ending. And there's a spelling rule. We change the Y to I, and we add ES. So that's how we spell berries. Next word is copy. Like the teacher needed one copy of the paper, but to make it plural, more than one, we could think of something like the teacher made 22 copies for the whole class. So again, we have a consonant Y ending on copy. So the rule will be change the Y to I and add ES. Okay. Let's finish up with our sentence writing. We have write a sentence about running. Use an adverb in your sentence. Remember, an adverb describes a verb. Verbs are actions, like running. So I want to maybe think of a word that might tell how the running is done. So I'm going to do, he ran slowly. Slowly tells me how he ran. That's why it's adverb.